This is the Satsuma Plum Harvest 2019. We're not ripe yet, of course, but I did not want to miss it, so I just want to give a little video. There we go. Satsuma sets very heavily and is self-fertile, so you don't need another pollinator at all. It's an absolutely beautiful tree. The fruit really needs a lot of time on the tree to ripen, so you need to wait till it's super soft for the sugars to convert. One issue that we have trouble with is the little beetles that get into the ripe fruit. So what we're trying this year is putting down worm castings at the base of the tree. And we've had good luck with disintegrating the beetles before they get into the fruit. Here's how big the tree is. This is the Satsuma Plum.